Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from PrivateNumberChecker step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from PrivateNumberChecker, first go to their website. At the top of the website, click Phone Directory. Find the state where you live and click on the city where you live from the list. From the phone number area codes in your city, find and click on the first 6 digits of your phone number. Find your listing from the search results. Once you have found your listing, go to the bottom of the web page and click the Removal Request link to begin your opt-out. Next, enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields, then enter your phone number. Enter your email address and reason for removal, click the box under Confirm, and then click the Remove Information button. An on-screen notification will confirm that your personal information has been removed from the PrivateNumberChecker site within 24 hours. Congratulations on opting out of PrivateNumberChecker. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.